How to delete all videos in TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering, in today's video, we are going to find out if it is possible to do so. So let's just get started. You can open up the TikTok application for that. You can launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged in into the account that you want to clean up. So just go ahead and do so. After you do so, what you can do is you can go ahead and go to your profile from the particular dashboard and tap on it, and your profile appears here. And from here in your profile, you can just go ahead and find the specific video that you would like to delete. So open up the first video that you want to delete, just go ahead and do so. For example, let's say this is the video I would like to delete. So TikTok does not currently support bulk deletion natively. You will need to go ahead and select a specific video and then one by one follow up the process for all of the videos available in your account. So once you find the video, you can just go ahead and tap on the three dots or the share icon on the right. And once you do so, you will be given these options on your screen. You may scroll right, and at the very last, you should be finding option called delete. You can select delete, and once you do so, you can just go ahead and confirm the deletion. For that, go ahead and tap on this delete option on your screen and confirm it. And once you do, your particular video will be removed from your account. And there are a bunch of third-party application or scripts that claims to delete TikTok videos in bulk. Those can violate TikTok's terms and risk account suspension, so you can use them cautiously. But once you've deleted your video, those cannot be recovered. So if you're trying to delete your video, make sure to back up if you think they will be useful in the future. So you may follow up this process in order to do so for today. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.